What if I told you you could sell anything without leaving your home, even without a store or shop? That's digital marketing. Using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google to show your product only to people who love it. Instead of shouting in the crowd market, you speak direct to your buyers online. For example, I made homemade chocolate. I ran small meta ad targeting who love chocolate in Hyderabad. People see it, click and buy it. That's digital marketing in action. Simple, fast and measurable. In next video, I will pick a real product from your comments and try to sell it in live. You will see digital marketing working in real time. So comment your product idea and subscribe because the real experiment starts next.